Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Tech Getter Official. If you updated your PC to Windows 11 25H2 in the last few days and thought, why does my system suddenly feel broken? You're not imagining things. Microsoft just pushed this update to millions of users, and it's already causing serious performance drops, visual glitches, and app failures. Today, I'm going to show you what's actually broken, why it matters, and what you should do before it gets worse. First issue, the dark mode flashbang. Yes, really? Let's start with the most ridiculous and painful bug. If you use dark mode, and let's be honest, who doesn't in 2025? File Explorer now hits you with a bright white flash every single time you open it. Open a folder, flash. Create a new tab, flash. Toggle details, flash. Navigate anywhere, flash. It's like Windows is trying to jump scare you. This came with the December 1st optional preview update. And here's the worst part. You had to manually install this update to get the bug. If you're using an OLED monitor or working late at night, this isn't just annoying, it's physically uncomfortable. Second issue, gaming performance is tanking. After installing the October update, KB50668835, or anything newer, users are seeing 20 to 30% FPS drops across multiple games. We're talking Assassin's Creed Shadows, Counter-Strike 2, Cyberpunk 2077, and other modern AAA titles. Some users report their 165Hz monitors randomly locking to 60Hz. Others see flickering, forced refresh drops, or performance that only fixes after restarting Explorer TX. And this isn't just 25H2, because 25H2 and 24H2 share the same codebase. If you're on 24H2 with recent updates, you're affected too. NVIDIA was so concerned that they released an emergency hotfix driver, 581.94, just to reduce the damage. But here's the truth. This is a Windows-level bug. Drivers can't fully fix it, Microsoft has to. Third issue, Task Manager zombie processes. This one's almost funny until you check your RAM usage. Closing Task Manager sometimes doesn't actually close it. Instead, it spawns hidden zombie processes in the background. Power users reported dozens, even hundreds, of invisible Task Manager instances quietly eating RAM. Microsoft fixed this in the November update, KB51688861. But if you skipped it, you're still vulnerable. Fourth issue, apps refusing to open. Apps that rely on the internet, like Discord, Microsoft Store, Copilot, are failing to open with connection reset errors. Anything using HTTP-based connections can be affected. Microsoft pushed a partial fix, but many users still report issues. Some even had to roll back or do a clean install. What you should do right now. Here are your real options. No fluff. Don't install 25H2 yet if you haven't. Pause updates for up to 5 weeks. If you already updated, you have 10 days to roll back. Settings, system recovery, go back. For gamers, install NVIDIA driver 581.94. It helps, but doesn't fully fix it. For the File Explorer flash, skip the optional December preview update. For Task Manager zombies, install KB51688861. For app failures, try network reset or DNS flush, but realistically, this one's on Microsoft. Don't rush updates. Let others beta test for you. Keep backups. And give Microsoft time to fix what shouldn't have shipped broken. If you're dealing with any of these issues, comment below and tell me which one hit you the hardest. And if this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned. I'll keep tracking these issues as Microsoft rolls out fixes. Thanks for watching.